Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa Natasha. This is a short video to show you the venue that I'll be having my wedding. I'm setting up 2 days early. Thank goodness, they're so amazing. I'm here with my bridesmaids, and this is what it looks like before I start setup. This is just a preview to show you the location. It's the Willow Event Center in Indianapolis. Now, these are 4 pics of my centerpieces. I have several different types of centerpieces. There are 13 tables, and I have like 6 tall and 6 tall and 7 short ones. Now this is the box that I made for the envelope. Those are candles that I made. A little basket with flip-flops just for tired feet. These are my bridesmaids. They're helping me to set up the 2 days before the wedding. Oh, they're so cute. Now that's one of my tall centerpieces. Now this is just a video that I did not prepare. I just decided to just do a quick thing, so you won't be able to see them up close, but in the professional video, make sure you look out for that. You can see them up close. Now, as I said, it's the Willows Event Center, Indianapolis. This is the bridal table. It's a large bridal party, so it's 26 of us. Those are my girls, Claudine and Jess. 2 of my bridesmaids. Aren't they cute? Now those are tall centerpieces. Remember, I have videos for how I made these. Look out for those. I'm going to link them at the end of the video. Also, that's another type of centerpieces. That type of centerpiece. There are candles all over the table. They're all going to be lit. Hey girls! And as I said, I'm speaking fast because I didn't plan for this video. We got string lights in the roof, ceiling. It was beautiful. Oh my goodness. Another close-up of one of the centerpieces. This one I believe is a tall one. There goes my girl Claudine again. And way back there's a circle that I made, and look out for that. I do have a video for that. And there's orbs everywhere and tea lights. Oh my god, so many tea lights. I have over 100 tea lights at my wedding. So across, the light is not great, but remember to look out for the professional video for you to get close up of what these centerpieces look like. Now I'm going to make a video for that one because I haven't done one yet, and I'll also make a video for the glass centerpiece stand. Hey girls, that's my girlfriend Jessica. Love her. That's Stephanie, Lori, and Nadine, and these girls are so awesome. They came to help me put these things up. And again, that's the circle that I made. I'm gonna put a card in for you to see how I create this. Maybe remember to look. Any questions you have, just let me know. There were like 32 orbs on that bad boy. So talking so fast, the venue is absolutely beautiful. Look out for the video that was done by Complete Wedding Events. And yeah, that's it guys. So thank you so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And any question, comment below. Thank you.